what we did, we have added this dependencies, right? Selenium, TestNG, SLF4J, and Commons IO. These two things we have added because there was some error coming in my system, right? Now we did how to run test file from Eclipse, right? We are able to do it. Run the test from command line. Okay, let's see how we can do it. So let me close this. I can go to my project and say, if you see the option run as, there are a lot of options. Run as Java application, but it is not purely Java application. So I cannot say run as Java application, because when you say run as Java application, it will try to find out where is the main function. Okay, we don't have it. We don't have here any main function. We are utilizing testng. There is no in the test class, there is no testng thing, correct? There is no main function, sorry. Maven build will actually build your project. Build means compiling it and creating, packages, right? Creating bundle. Maven install will install the related dependencies. Maven clean will clean the unwanted thing. Maven test will basically do all the things, like it will build, it will clean, it will build, it will install, and then it will test. It's like this. So when you do Maven test, it will find out where is your test case. It will try to see here, it is downloading a lot of things. It has done, oh, it's working. Great. So it has recovered the own thing. And how good it is. Superb. So that means if you want to run all the test cases which is present here, you can simply say MVN, you can simply say, you can see right click and say run as Maven test. So that will execute all the test case. Great. I'm able to execute. The reports has come. Let me refresh it. And in the test output, you will be able to see the emailable report. Fine, it is executed. Done. But we have to execute it from command line. As I said, we want to execute it from command line. So what we have to do? We have to go to this project. So that project is here. Is automation Selenium project. In my command prompt, I'll go to this place. So you can go open your command prompt and do CD, and then a particular place you have to reach, right? Fine. So I'm already here. Here, if I want to run the test, first of all, I should be able to run Maven command, right? So I will say ambient -- version. Okay. So this will show me what version I have. Are you able to see these things in your system? It will show you Apache Maven, Maven home, where is your Java version and all. Are you able to see in your system? Quickly let me know. So when you do MVN version, you may get error that MVN is not recognized as a command or something like that. That means in your system, Apache Maven is not present. Okay. So step by step, I am telling you what you have to do. So I have this version, but you may have latest version also. That's fine. So let's go to Google and say, let's go and say set MVN for Windows, something like that. You should read some blog, right? So it's saying there is a particular way. It's saying that how to install Maven. So it's saying that go to this down. So I'm showing you exactly the step. So I am reading this blog. Even I don't know whether this blog is right or not, but why to worry about it, right? We should be open to do things which looks genuine, right? It is not trying to tell you to install some what we say, bad softwares which will hack your system. No, it looks genuine. So Maven download page, okay. Go to Maven. This is the first step, Maven download page, and download the version of Maven you want to install. The file section contains the archive of the latest version, access earlier version using the archive link. So it's saying there is an archive link also where you can access the old version. Okay, I'm going here. Downloads is here. Latest is 3.9.4, but I want 3.8 point something. See here, previous releases. Now, let's read about it. So it's saying that get the binary zip version here. So same thing. Maybe the structure, the tabular structure is changed, but it is, I believe this is this binary zip archive. Yes, this one. So if I click here, it's fine. 3.8.8 is also fine. So click here and this will download this zip file in your system. Done. Do it right now. So if I click here, something is getting downloaded. Fine. And unzip it. And then unzip it. You should get this folder, Apache Maven 3.88. This version will come. Then what is the next step? The next step is click on appropriate, okay, download it. Then in your program files, create a folder, Maven. Okay, let me go to my downloads first to check what has come. So if I'll go to download, I'll right click and first extract it. So I will extract this. I'll check what has come. So this is showing me this Apache Maven 3.888. Fine. What you can do is copy this and go to your C drive, program files, and create a folder, maybe Maven. I have created a folder named Apache Software Foundation. I'll give the name. You can give this name also, or you give the name as Maven. So I have created a folder inside C drive, program files, Apache Software Foundation, and I have put that folder here. Okay. This will not resolve all the things. Now you have to do some setting in your system. Let's see the step. So it's saying that, do it. Then create Maven_home in your system variable. So basically you have to search edit system environment variable and click on environment variable, and here create Maven_home. Okay, here somewhere create Maven_home. So you have to click on new. Let me see the step. Step is, hold on, Maven_home. So in the environment variable, say new, and in capital Maven_home, right? And the path, which path you have to give here, the path will come same as your, okay, it is showing you everything what you have to do. Environment variable, new, you have to click this one where this Apache Maven folder is present, right? So we have put it inside maybe Apache Software Foundation, whatever I have given, or you can create Maven folder, that is fine. One of them is fine. Inside that, this is present. So you have to say my Maven_home is this. Then The same thing, you have to add it a path. So when you go down, there is a system variable path is present. Click on edit and say new, and add that path. So when you say new, at the end, you can say %maven home %/bin. That means this percent sign means the real value of Maven home is that C drive program files, Maven slash that Maven version. There is a bin folder. So in the path, we want to give the bin folder path. So you can put it like this. Done. And say okay. And done. I think once it is done, you just have to say okay and go here and again do mvn-version. It will show you related thing like what is your Maven version, what is your Java version, what system you are using. Everything will be visible. So this is the way to get means Maven installed in your system properly so that you can use Maven command. As far as running the test case, it's simple. I will simply say mvn clean test. That's it. So this will this will clean the dependency and it will run also. It's not running. Some compilation error it is saying. That's fine. So it's saying same thing, source option and all. Some error. So let me just a minute. How to clear the screen? Anybody knows it? How to clear the DOS Windows screen? CLR, SCR? No. Clear screen? No. Clear? No. CLR? No. I forgot. So, but this basic commands we should know. Clear screen? No. CLS. Okay. CLS. Great. Yes. I was using CLR, SCR, which is there in, I think, C programming, C or C++, CLR, SCR. I was using clear also. So clear is a command which works with terminal. Okay. So if you're using Visual Studio Code, there it will work. But thanks. So it's like CLS. Fine. So if I say ambient test, that's it. What will happen? I'm saying ambient test. It's still failing. So the reason is from there, it's saying from Eclipse, it is running, but from command prompt, there is problem. Source option 5, no longer something like this. I will copy this. Or why not copy the whole error? Why not? When you want to get help, it's better you copy it and Google it because you are not the only person who is getting this kind of error, right? There may be other people also who are doing the same thing what you are doing, and they must be getting some kind of error. So Stack Overflow is a place where people put their problems. If there is solution, people give the solution. So it's fine. The question is this, I'm checking what is the output, if somebody has suggested the solution. So somebody has suggested that add this dependency in the after the dependency, put this build so that whenever there is a Maven build, it will work with a particular kind of plugin, which is compiler plugin, and the version is 1.8. By default in our system, it is picking probably 1.5 or something. That is the problem. So in our project, what they're saying is go to your POM file, and once the dependencies are done, add this build mechanism. Okay, so it's saying that add this build. Okay, plugin is start. Let me format it so it will look good. So this is your detail for build part, build. There are multiple plugins you can add. One of the plugin is this, which is related to configuration. Source is this, target is this. So source version of your Maven compiler is 1.8. Target is also 1.8, right? It's like this. If I'll save this now, if I'll go back and I do CLS and I'll run the same command, ambient test. That's it. I'm saying just ambient test. Let's see, at least that error should not come. It's running. See here, the browser has opened. It's working. It's working. In the next session, we will see to run a particular testng XML file. As of now, it is picking whatever test cases are there. Automatically, it is picking. Okay, it's executing. There are 3 test cases and the execution is completed. Once it is done, it will show you here also. It's saying build success. 3 tests run, same testng report. The testng report, it's saying that your test cases are configured with testng. How it is able to get it? Because you are using in your project, you have said that you're using testng for scope is equals to test here. So when you do ambient test, it was able to capture that you're using testng and it has incorporated it automatically. And it is saying all these things, whatever we did, right? It is executed. Is there any other kind of report is generated? Let's see, apart from your usual report, apart from, let me refresh this first. Apart from my usual report, no. In the target, if I'll see, there are surefire reports. Surefire reports. And there also, they have incorporated the testng report. Okay. Automatically. I didn't do anything like that. So it has incorporated in Maven report also, there is testng report, right? But there is a separate surefire report, which can come in a better way. So you have to add surefire plugin also. Optional. Okay. It's not mandatory, but it's good to add surefire report when you are using Mavenize project, right? So there is surefire report which will come properly, right? As of now, it's like test result is this 3 passed. If you click on this, it will open what kind of XML it is. If I go back, if I click here, it will show me the report in this way. If I click on the result, it is not showing me anything. So there is some issue. That's fine. We are not concerned about that kind of thing. We are concerned about testng report is coming properly, right? But what I was saying is in the target, you will have surefire report also. We'll try to generate one surefire report properly, maybe in the next session. That's it for today.